Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use iTunes gift card for PUBG Mobile. So if you want to use your gift card balance on PUBG, so simply what you can do, transfer your balance or redeem your iTunes gift card to your Apple ID. So to do that, open up your App Store. Once you open up your App Store, click on your account here on your top right, and then here you'll see an option called redeem gift card or code. Simply select that, and then what you're going to do, just redeem your iTunes gift card here. So this will transfer the balance to your Apple ID. So you can use the camera or enter the code manually, and then just once you have entered, hit on redeem, and once you've already redeemed, now balance will be transferred. So next time when you go to since you've already transferred the balances to your Apple ID, so next time when you get to your PUBG or PUBG Mobile, so when you make any in-app purchases, then it will go through your App Store, which has been topped up from your iTunes gift card. So that's how you can use your gift card on PUBG Mobile. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.